Divorce mediation versus DIY divorce in Long Beach. First, divorce mediation involves hiring a neutral third party, usually a trained mediator, to help you and your spouse reach agreements on things like property, support, and custody. It can be a great option if you need help talking through terms, but want to avoid hiring attorneys or going to court. However, mediation can be expensive, often costing $3,000 to $7,000 or more, and once agreements are reached, someone still has to prepare and file all the legal documents correctly. On the other hand, a DIY divorce means you're handling everything yourself, preparing the paperwork, making sure it's legally correct, filing with the court, and keeping up with required steps. While it seems cost-effective up front, most people underestimate the complexity of the process. In Long Beach, your case goes through the Los Angeles County court system, which has strict filing and formatting rules. Many DIY cases get delayed or rejected simply due to paperwork errors. We recently helped a couple in Long Beach who attempted a DIY divorce. After their judgment was rejected twice and they spent months trying to fix it, they came to us. We reviewed their case, corrected the errors, and finalized their divorce in just a couple of weeks, saving them a ton of frustration. At Divorce 661, we offer the best of both worlds. If you're in agreement, we can help you avoid costly mediation while still handling 100% of the paperwork and filings. No court, no confusion. Just a flat fee, done-for-you divorce service designed for amicable couples. If you're considering mediation or DIY divorce in Long Beach and want an easier, faster option, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you skip the stress, avoid court, and move on with your life without the high price tag.